Hello there, trumpet people. We have made it to page 11, and we are going to look at a couple of new things in number 36 and 37 to expand your ability to play more songs and add to your repertoire. So in 36, we've got two new concepts. We've got a new time signature. So up until this point, we've always seen the 4/4 at the beginning, called 4/4 time, where you've got 4 beats a measure, and the quarter note is the thing that gets the beat, the thing that we count. And now we have that restated as cut time, and now we have 2/4. So it's still, the bottom 4 is quarter notes are what we're counting, but now there's only 2 of them in between the vertical measure lines. So the measure lines are the things that separate out the music, and those are the things that give us a sense of pulse, give us a sense of style. A song that's in 2/4, yeah, it could be written in 4/4, but then it changes the style a little bit, and it's all about where we put the emphasis in the measure. So in a 4/4 measure, we have strong, weak, less strong, weak. So boom, chick, boom, chick, boom, chick, boom, chick. In 2/4, it's just strong, weak, boom, chick, boom, chick. So the conducting pattern for 4/4 looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And the conducting pattern for 2/4 looks like this: 1, 2. So you have the 4/4 pattern, the 2/4 pattern. Now, in the 2/4 pattern, we can only have 2 quarter notes or 1 half note on beat 1. But what happens if we want a 2 count note starting on beat 2? Sometimes that's how the composer wants things to feel. So if you look in the second and third to last measures, of this tune, we have a thing that looks a lot like a slur, but in this instance, it's between 2 notes that are on the same line. So anytime 2 notes are on the same line as each other or the same space as each other, and there's a thing that looks like a slur, in music it's called a tie. And a tie acts like a musical addition symbol. It just adds time to any note that you have. So if you have a quarter note tied to another quarter note, it adds a beat. If you have a quarter note tied to a half note, it adds the half notes 2 beats, so you get a 3 count note, and we'll have some of those later on this page. You can tie things like whole notes together. You could have 2 whole notes tied together, and that gives you an 8 count note. So ties, again, I said, are the musical addition symbol. And so for this one, we're, again, just going to play it in the 1 tempo to get you used to it, and then we use that same rhythm down in 37, and we'll play that one at multiple speeds. So I'm going to clap through once, and then I'm going to play it on the note D, which is concert C. Remember, in class, I'm going to talk concert pitch, so you need to know if I say concert C, that it's D for your instrument 1 and 3. Okay, so here's the talk and clap through time. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, no 3. After you get to the measure line, it goes back to 1. That was my mistake. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. Rest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Did you see how in the third to last measure I went 1, 2, hold to beat 1 of the next measure, 2, 1, 2. That's how a tie works. It holds over the measure. Now you're going to get to see the same thing played. Again, we're playing the note D, 1 and 3. Don't forget to kick your tuning slide out a little bit for this note. 1, 2, ready, go. And hopefully you got the sense of where that tie holds over. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? We'll see you in the next lesson.